Unpacking Eating Habits, a guide to understanding daily nutrition choices. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's a part of everyone's daily life, eating habits. Understanding this phrase not only helps us talk about food and nutrition but also opens up conversations about culture, health, and personal choices. So, let's get started. Eating habits refer to the patterns and decisions one makes when choosing what, when, and how they eat. This isn't just about the types of food you prefer, but also your meal timings, portion sizes, and your approach to nutrition. It's a broad term that encompasses a variety of behaviors and preferences. There are several key components that make up one's eating habits. What you eat. This covers the variety of foods in your diet, like fruits, vegetables, meats, grains, and sweets. When you eat, are you an early bird who enjoys a hearty breakfast? Or do you skip straight to lunch? Mealtimes play a big role in defining your habits. How much you eat. Portion control is a significant aspect. Do you eat until you're full, or do you follow a strict meal plan? How you eat. Do you savor each bite, or are you always in a rush? The pace and context of eating also contribute to your eating habits. Your eating habits can have a profound impact on your health and well-being. They affect your energy levels, mood, body weight, and even risk for certain diseases. That's why it's important to develop healthy eating habits that support your lifestyle and personal health goals. Culture plays a significant role in shaping our eating habits. From the types of food that are available to the social rituals around eating, our cultural background can determine a lot about what and how we eat. It's fascinating to see the diversity in eating habits around the world. We hope this exploration of eating habits has been enlightening. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to eating, and everyone's habits are unique. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay healthy and happy eating!